Today's fence industry has advanced far beyond a simple wooden privacy fence or a plain chain-link fence to secure your yard. Vinyl fences have become greatly known for their wide variety of styles, easy-to-clean material and low-maintenance upkeep. Vinyl fences are manufactured using PVC, a substance considered a flexible product in the fencing industry. The lifetime of a vinyl fence will far exceed your expectations and concerns. Choosing vinyl will also save you money, because the material is less expensive than wood and iron. You will have your vinyl fence installed only one time and enjoy its beauty for a lifetime. Cleaning vinyl fence is easy and requires very little effort. When it comes to vinyl fencing, there are many options to choose from. If you are looking to add value to your property, beauty to your yard, or simply just need a new fence, you can be sure that new vinyl fence is only option. Are you looking for a vinyl fence installation in your Charleston property? Contact Charleston-Fence-Works at 843-595-8276 for a free no-obligation quote today.